Hey guys, it's Coaster Confusion here, and I'm going to 3D print a functioning S&S drop tower. This is probably one of my longest 3D prints. It's going to be 120 millimeters tall. So we'll see. Progress check number 1. Just checking the overhangs, and they're actually printing pretty good, as you can see. That's really good. Just for size reference, this is my Hershey bar, and this is how big this is. About around a little less than half of the bar. My chocolate's probably melting, but it's just looking pretty good so far. This is it. And there's gonna be 3 of these for the full tower. I'm back with 2 hours and 18 minutes left. I'm not sure if you could see that right there, but like there's a little shift. I'm not really sure what caused that, but yeah, it's going pretty good, but not very happy about that right there. I just canceled the print because the platform shifted like that and everything started going wrong. So this is what was printed so far. I think the size is good. Let me show you. Around 60 millimeters. And the height is around 50 millimeters. So I don't know what caused that. Like, kind of annoyed about that, but I guess I'll just use this as a test. You know, just to show how big the tower is, I guess. But yeah, overall, I think this is pretty good.